To change your location on Tinder, you can use the Tinder's passport feature, which is available with the Tinder Plus, Tinder Gold, or Tinder Platinum subscriptions. And here's how you can do it. First of all, open the Tinder application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then go ahead and click on the gear icon in the top to access settings. Scroll down to find the location or swipe in option. Click on location and then click on add a new location option. You need to activate Tinder Passport. A premium subscription plus gold or platinum is required to use this feature, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you will be prompted to choose a plan, and after subscribing, you can start using Passport. You can set your new location and enter the name of the city or location where you wish to swipe and select your desired location from the search results. Once you select a location, Tinder will update your profile swiping area to match the new location. Without a premium subscription, Tinder automatically uses your device GPS to determine your location, and if you stop using Tinder Passport, your profile will revert to your actual GPS location. So matches in your selected location will see your profile as if you are physically there. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.